Family Crisis Center, this is Eric. How can I help you?
Oh, hi. I had this dog, and his name was Ben, and he
Hmm.
died recently, and he was my only friend, so do you think it'd be okay if I read you this poem I wrote about him?
If you'd like.
Thank you. One sec. Okay. I have a dog. His name is Ben. He's my pet, my best friend. He is large, furry, and very white, with brown patches on both his sides. His he has big eyes, soft and round. His floppy ears are silky brown. Is that good? It's just a start.
Yeah, it sounds like you've got something going there.
Thank you. It's just I didn't really have any friends at school, and it was nice to come home to him. It's just been tough on me.
Hmm. Yeah, the loss of a pet is pretty rough.
Yeah. It got to me.
Okay, okay, this isn't the. You liked it.
He's like, well, you definitely got something
My
going.
dog. It's bad.